Ugh, does packing for trips drive you crazy? Are you an overpacker, spending hundreds of dollars on luggage fees? Or an underpacker trying to save money? Packing is such a chore, but not anymore. We designed the ultimate 9-in-1 travel hack that beats the one-bag airline rule. Now you can pack a briefcase and a backpack. Pack a duffel like this or like that. Bring your camera gear and your clothes. Need to stay mobile with a sling? Check. More storage for your toiletries? Check. Just connect and disguise all 9 bags as one and never compromise again. No more lines, no more luggage fees, no more lost bags. Travel made fast, quick, and easy. Here's how it works. The Pro. Show up to meetings with a briefcase. Commute with a comfy backpack. The Pro is design and function at its best. 19 pockets for all your tech. Keep your mind focused and free from clutter. Easily find all the right things where and when you need them. We also added 2 exterior zip pockets to keep your essentials accessible. Stay comfortable no matter how you carry your Pro, whether as a briefcase or a backpack. Don't want to check in a bag? The Weekender Duffle is your closet to go that can be carried as a duffel or as a backpack. Finally, you can safely pack your camera gear and all your clothes. A separate pocket for your laptop? You got it. With hundreds of ways to pack, this bag adapts to you. But wait, there's more! Zip it to the Pro and 2 bags are one. Need a duffel for your weekend trips? Check. A roomy backpack to stay active? Check. Never compromise between your work bag and your duffel again. Just zip both bags together and have the ultimate work and travel bag. Slide it on your carry-on and keep your passport handy. And sometimes we need to pack more. Introducing our first modular add-on, the Camera Cube. Use it with the woolen oak strap, or turn your Weekender Duffle into your premium camera bag that looks good and is comfortable to carry. Because your expensive camera gear deserves the best. Quickly access your gear from any side and never miss a moment. Our second add-on, the toiletry kit, attaches outside the duffel, so never use up precious space again. Our third modular add-on is the woolen oak sling, your sleek essentials carry that fits to any occasion. It will remind you to stay hydrated and connected without crowding any of your pockets. For longer trips, slide the strap through for added weight support. It's the fanny pack reinvented. And the fourth modular add-on is the laptop sleeve. No matter where we go, we bring our laptops with us. It's time they get the upgrade they deserve. Power up through the quick charge slot and clip on the woolen oak strap for your mobile office on the go. Stop wasting hundreds of dollars. These are the only bags you'll ever need. Together, we can make these bags a reality. Join us and back us now. Only on Kickstarter.